Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix there was a problem while playing video on YouTube app. So if you are also going through this kind of error, then don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So very first method what you need to do is to restart your phone once. So for that, simply press the power plus volume up button and then select restart. So this will restart your device. After restarting, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating, or if you are using Wi-Fi then go for mobile data or do vice versa and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to disable and enable SIM and enable it again. So for that, go to settings, then go to your SIM cards and mobile network over here, then go below and here you can see SIM 1 and SIM 2. Simply click on it and you can see the option enable SIM card. You have to simply disable it and after again enable it and then check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check if there is any server downtime. So for that you have to go to your browser and search for YouTube down detector. Go to your browser and search for YouTube down detector. Now click on the website link that comes in the first and open down detector website, and after that you can check if there is any downtime on YouTube. If yes, then you have to wait for some time and after that again check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to reset app preference. So for that, go to settings. Now go to the app section. Now here's click on see all apps and then click on three dot icon over here and then click on reset app preference. So here you have to click on reset, and after resetting the app preference, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to force stop YouTube. For that, click on the YouTube icon over here, then click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So after this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, then you have to clear the cache of YouTube. For that, click on storage and cache option, then click on clear cache and then check if it helps. Otherwise, click on clear storage, but remember you have to remember your username and password before clearing storage on YouTube. So after clearing the storage, again log into the app and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, you should also check whether your app needs any update. For that, go to Google Play Store, then in the search option here you have to type YouTube and here you can see update option is available. You have to click on update option and wait for some time unless it gets updated completely, and after that check if the issue you are coming across is fixed or not. So by this methods you can easily fix there was a problem while playing video on YouTube app on your Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.